project professionals, welcome to my website, AI Prompt Gallery for Project Professionals. And today, I will give you a tour to navigate and find useful resources for you to integrate AI into your daily operations. What you will find on my website is a set of more than 150 prompts to maximize value and efficiency for your projects. You will also find an AI transformation framework, which will take you step by step to guide you and integrate AI into your day-to-day task and your workflow. You will also find prompt engineering hacks that will help you to harness the power of the LLMs. It will also help you to create and boost your critical thinking, your creativity as well. You will also have access to the AI agent, Perfect Prompt, that is a tool to help you, or an agent, excuse me, to help you create prompts, refine prompts, and practice prompting skills. So, and finally, you will find the prompt testing templates, which is a template that will help you, to record all the prompts and keep track of them, or which works better and which gives you better results. And with that, I will go to show you the content of my website. So I created the website with this structure. You will find all the prompts by topic, okay, in every aspect of project management. For example, Agile, BRM, EVM, Agile, and you will also find some powerful prompts to perform risk management, project estimating, scheduling, for example. There are a lot of great prompts that you will find very powerful for you to integrate them into your workflow. You will also have access to a list of prompts to harness the power of the LLMs. And the GPT, you need to click here and it will take you to the website. Now, you will also have access here to the templates to integrate AI into your workflow, and also templates to record all the prompts. And finally, some useful videos for you to maximize your results when talking to the AI machines. All right. So now let me show you very quickly how my website works in action. Okay. So for example, I want to show you very quick how you can display these prompts. You need to click on each topic and then find the prompt that best suits to your needs and tailor to your context. So for example, let's see that in Agile context, I want to create user studies. So I just need to copy the prompt and then I just go to PMI Infinity, for example, right? And then I use paste the prompt, right? So in this case, I want to create a study, right? Let me see that I copy the prompt currently, right? Yeah, copy the prompt. Yeah. Then, all right. So I just want to create the study, right? In this case, a company requires an airline mobile application to allow frequent flyers to view and manage their upcoming flights. And I want to see this in a study format. So there is no rocket science, but the only thing you can do is just change the context of your project, and then you just need to copy it and paste it into the LLM. In this case, I used Infinity, PMI Infinity, and then I got the user story and the acceptance criteria. That is just one very quick example. The other example I can show you, but let me now use ChatGPT, for example. Let's see, for example, that I want to, let's see, risk, okay? So in risk, for example, I want to, let me see, Okay, let's see. This is, you may recall the nuclear disaster in Fukushima in 2011, and I am asking the model, right, to give me some, uh, you know, some suggestions how I can mitigate or how could I mitigate this risk so that this doesn't happen in the future. So I will just copy and I will go to ChatGPT, right? And I will just paste it here and let me see what I got here. But end of the day, what it's really important is, you can take this as a templates. Again, I designed them, I crafted them because it was part of the testing period with PMI Infinity. But certainly you can use this structure or you can use these ideas of these prompts and take it to your context, right? So the LLM gives me all the information that it was in the prompt that I took from my website. Now, the other thing I want to show you is the prompt engineering hacks. Okay, in the prompt engineering hacks, what you'll find is a list of very powerful prompts that use very different techniques, how to say, to help the LLM to better reason, to reduce the hallucination, and give you better quality, more precise results. So, for example, uh, you can even evaluate the work that LLM is doing, right? You can, let's see, for example, let's take this one. I will go to ChatGPT and say, hey, please evaluate the work that you did before based on the results that you show to me and give me the score, right? The grade accuracy of the response. And, let's see, I think the model will tell me, oh, I got a grade of 8 out of 10, and it gave me the strengths and the areas of improvement. And, you know, end of the day is that if you see this list of how to say hacking prompts, they will be very helpful, right? For example, you can use this one, for example, using Socratic dialogue technique. So, for example, your answer to the question X was incorrect, and then you tell ChatGPT why, and then you say, "Hey, please help me rephrase this question so you can answer it correctly in the first time." So these kind of prompts are really powerful, and you will find them very, very helpful and very useful. Now, you can also click on the, you can go to the GPT, and this agent is the one that I told you before. You can practice prompts, you can create prompts, you can evaluate the prompt results, and so on. So this is very, very good one. It has more than 1,000 users already using this agent, and it's very powerful, very helpful for you also to get better results. Now, this is the AI transformation framework that I mentioned to you earlier, that you can use it during your process transformation, right, when adopting the AI. So you have a framework that it has 6 stages, right? 6 stages in the process that will take you step by step, right? How you can start getting engaged, how you can start mapping all the, the, the task that you have in your workflow, and you can measure your productivity gains, and then you can find continuous improvement for that. It was great, and even get the ROI right during the weeks that you implemented based on your plan. And finally, to transform not only yourself but also your team or help your organization to transform to the next level. Now, this framework also gives you some guidelines to map the workflow and what you can delegate to the human, what you can delegate to the AI, and so on. Then we also have here a list of efficiency type, for example, using PMI um, fundamentals. I started out by automation, by assistance, and by augmentation categories. So I have here a list of deliverables and the role that I will assign to AI. So bottom line is to map out your project manager task to integrate into the AI. And here, some suggested ways to achieve this, like using APIs, using another third-party tools to achieve this, some Python scripts, or using VBA scripts, etc., etc. And then, the most important thing here is to measure productivity gains. And here is one quick template that can help you to achieve that. Now, the last one is the prompt testing template, which is pretty straightforward. You just need to copy and paste the prompt that works for you. You can put the version 1, version 2, or whatever you want to put. But the most important thing is, to measure the results in terms of accuracy, relevance with the LLM, and which LLM works better for you based on the prompt that you inputted. So with that is all that I have in my website. Here is another video that you can use for to improve your prompting skills, and that is pretty much all about my website. So I hope the content, the information will be very helpful, and I didn't want to lose the opportunity to share all this work, all this material for you. The content, the resources are free, are available for you. I'm sharing with the PM community. So I hope this will be helpful for you, and leave your comments in my YouTube video, okay? Thank you very much, and all the best for you during your AI integration. Thank you. Bye-bye.